The relationship between the local Italian community and the Blue Bulls Rugby Union seems to be growing in leaps and bounds. And this point was made clear when the Italian ambassador hosted the union's rugby bosses at his residence this week. Part of the aim is for the Bulls to build a relationship with Zebre Rugby Club from the city of Parma in Italy.
Both entities, the Vodacom Bulls, Blue Bulls Rugby Union and the Italian Rugby, we share the love and the passion for rugby. So from their perspective, assisting us with especially community projects, etc. from the embassy, and getting the Italian population in Gauteng involved with our rugby matches. There's quite a big number of Italians living and working in Gauteng, and I think for us from the Blue Bulls side, also assisting with technical advice and etc. They are already using South African players, so there's already a strong link between South Africa and Italy in terms of rugby.
We have a lot to learn from South African Rugby Union, and through the sport we are close friends because we all love this fantastic sport.
But while the Bulls decision makers are trying to build relations with their new Italian friends, on the field of play, Jake White says he has no plans of rolling out the red carpet for Zebre. In fact, White says he expects another commanding performance from his charges against the visitors from Parma.
The Bulls, however, suffered a last-minute setback during their captain's run on Friday. Loose forward Cameron Hanekom had to leave the field struggling with a stiff back.
I was looking at getting him in, but I can't afford a risk, so just pulled him out last minute.
The match kicks off at 2:45 on Saturday. Percival Young, Pretoria.